Let's count the gifts from Santa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 gifts. Good job.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it?
Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. Ant starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So the star goes to camera. Well done, kids. Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C. D.
Hello, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Today we are going to learn the alphabet by playing a game. You need to identify the object and choose the correct letter that starts with that object. Let's start. What is that object? That is an apple. Where does apple starts with? Does it starts with letter A or letter B? What do you think? Where does it starts with? Apple starts with letter A. Yay! Very good. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a ball. Where does ball starts with? Does it starts with letter A or does it starts with letter B? What do you think? Ball starts with letter. It starts with letter B. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a cat. A cat starts with letter C or letter D. What do you think? Cat starts with letter C. That's right. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a dog. Dog starts with letter. Does it starts with letter C or letter D? What do you think? Where does it starts? It starts with letter D. Very good. On to the next one. What is that thing? Those are eggs. Where does egg starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? What do you think? Egg starts with letter E. It starts with letter E. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a fish. Where does fish starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? Fish starts with letter F. It starts with letter F. Good job. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a gift. Where does gift starts with? Does it starts with letter G or it starts with letter H? What do you think? Gift starts with letter G. That's right. It starts with letter G. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a horse. Where does horse starts with? Does it starts with letter G or with letter H? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter H. That's right. You're doing great.
Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Let's learn the alphabet letters. Let's go. This is letter A. Apple starts with letter A. Letter B. Ball. This is letter C. Cat starts with letter C. Letter D. Dog. This is letter E. E, egg. Letter F. Face starts with letter F. Letter G. Grass starts with letter G. This is letter H. House starts with letter H. This is letter I. Ink starts with letter I. Letter J. Jam starts with letter J. This is letter K. Kite starts with letter K. This is letter L. Lion starts with letter L. Letter M. Monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. This is letter N. Nose starts with letter N. Letter O. Ostrich starts with letter O. This is letter P. Pencil starts with letter P. This is letter Q. Queen starts with letter Q. Letter R. Rabbit starts with letter R. Rabbit. This is letter S. Snow starts with letter S. This is letter T. Turtle starts with letter T. Turtle. This is letter U. Umbrella starts with letter U. This is letter V. Vase starts with letter V. Letter W. Whale starts with W. Letter X. X-ray starts with letter X. Letter Y. Yarn starts with Y. Yarn. Letter Z. Zebra starts with letter Z. Good job, kids!
Counting numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The alphabet song. This is an A, A, A. Oh, what's the sound of A? Ah, ah, ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B, B, B. Oh, what's the sound of B? B, B, B. That's the sound of B. This is a C, C, C. Oh, what's the sound of C? K, K, K. That's the sound of C. This is a D, D, D. Oh, what's the sound of D? D, D, D. That's the sound of D. This is an E, E, E. Oh, what's the sound of E? A, A, A. That's the sound of E. This is a F, F, F. What's the sound of F? F, F, F. That's the sound of F. This is a G, G, G. What's the sound of G? G, G, G. That's the sound of G. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The 5 vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella.
Good job, kids! Which is more and which is less? The orange pumpkins on the right is more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 orange pumpkins. Good job. And the pink pumpkins on the left is less. That's right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pink pumpkins. Good job. Lesson more. The pink pumpkins on the left is less than the orange pumpkins on the right. Good job, kids.
Syllables. This is a candy. How many syllables is in the word candy? Let's count. 1, 2. Good job. This is a pumpkin. How many syllables is in the word pumpkin? 1, 2. Good job. We are at the farm. I see a frog. And beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job.
Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job.